Hello Year 3 and welcome to your next Humanities lesson. We're going to be looking at European capital cities today. But before we do that, I thought I'd do a quick recap of some things we've already covered. On the board, I've written the names of 4 continents: Africa, Asia, Europe and South America. I would like you to try and write the names of 2 countries that can be found in each of these continents. So 2 countries in Africa, 2 countries in Europe, 2 countries in Asia, and 2 countries in South America. Have a go and see if you can do that. Remember, you can use the atlas if you get stuck. You can find these different continents by going to the contents page in the front, and it should tell you which page you can find each continent. See if you can write 2 countries from each continent, and I'll add some possible answers to my board as well. Pause the video now and see if you can do that. Well done if you managed to do that, Year 3. I've just added some possible answers to the board. For Africa, I have put Kenya and Egypt. For Europe, I have put Spain and Finland. For Asia, I have written Mongolia and Vietnam. And for South America, I have put Argentina and Peru. There were many other countries you may have written down as well. Today, we'll be looking for capital cities. I've drawn this symbol here. It is a square with a circle in the middle. And that's the sign for a capital city. So when you are looking at the atlas, if you see this symbol and a name written next to it, that will be the capital city of that country. We're going to have a practice. Let's go to page 42 in the atlas. Page 42. On page 42, you'll find a map of Asia. Today, we're going to be looking at Europe, but for this task in the video, I'm going to get you to look at Asia, page 42. I have written 4 countries on the board: Japan, China, India, and Pakistan. They can all be found on this page. They are all in Asia. What I would like you to do is find those countries and find the capital city in those countries. So you'll be looking for the square with the circle inside, and then the name of the place next to it. That will be the capital city. So can you find those places on the map? I'll give you a little bit of a clue. China is pink, Japan is yellow, India is a very light yellow colour, and Pakistan is a light pink colour. You can use that to help you. Can you find the capital cities of those countries using the atlas? Pause the video and see if you can do that, and I'll add the answers to the board. Pause the video now. Well done, Year 3, if you managed to do that. I'll just run through the answers. Japan is the yellow country over here. The capital is Tokyo. China is the very large pink country. The capital is Beijing. You would find it right there. India was here, again, another large country. The capital is New Delhi. You were looking for this symbol again, the square and the circle. And finally, Pakistan is next to India, and the capital is Islamabad. Very well done if you found all of those on the atlas. And that's very good practice for what we'll be doing today. For today's lesson, we'll be using page 38. Page 38 is a map of Europe. And your task for today is, first of all, to match up the name of the country with the correct capital city. I have done the first one for you: England and London. You may want to try and use a different colour for each if you can. And then once you've matched them all up, you're going to try and find the capital cities on the map and label them. I have done the first one. I have used my map to find London, which is down here, and I have shown that on the map with a nice straight line and a label, London. And I've also used the same colour as I did on this page. That might make it a little bit easier for me to spot them. So can you find all the different capital cities that you've drawn here, that you've labelled, onto the map? if you finish all of that, you may even be able to find some extra capital cities that I haven't listed on this side as well. Please do come on to Google Meet if you have any questions, and remember to use a ruler and remember your capital letters for names of places. Thank you for watching Year 3.